This house looks like a discreet line from the street, but opens like a large wooden tangram toward the lake. Tangram House in Brazil has this dual personality. Seen from the street, the house almost disappears. It is placed at the highest point of a gently sloping site, appearing as a discrete horizontal line, almost blending into the horizon. Walls, slopes, and the built volume itself create a visual barrier to the outside. But once you enter, the street disappears and the house opens to trees, lawn, and lake. On one side, privacy, containment, and silence. On the other, glass, verandas, water, and a large wooden roof formed by triangular planes. The name Tangram makes sense precisely because of this geometry. The roof, made of glued laminated timber, is organized as a sequence of triangular planes, as if the house had been assembled from folded and fitted pieces. This roof is the main protagonist. It protects the house on the street side and, at the same time, opens toward the lake with deep overhangs, verandas, and glass surfaces. From a distance, it helps the house appear low and discreet. Up close, it reveals a much stronger, almost sculptural geometry. The sloping terrain organizes the house into two levels. On the lower level are the social spaces: living room, kitchen, gourmet area, wine cellar, and pool. This is where the house expands the most, with large glass panels and verandas facing the water. On the upper level, the house changes character. This is where the private wing is located, with a sitting area and 5 bedrooms. All of them open to the landscape, but in a protected way, under the large roof overhang and away from the exposure of the street. The house does not open without control. It chooses how to open. The bedrooms participate in the view, but maintain privacy. The social spaces expand toward the lake, while the street remains distant. Light enters through the large openings facing the lake, but also comes from above, through the skylights. The cuts in the roof allow light to descend into the interior spaces and make the ceiling part of the experience, not only as a covering, but as part of the architecture. In the end, Tangram House is a house about hiding and revealing. Hiding from the street, revealing the lake, protecting intimacy, opening to the landscape, using the roof as shelter, using geometry as direction. It shows that a large house does not need to begin with impact. Sometimes the strongest gesture is the opposite, almost disappearing at arrival and allowing life to open through triangular wooden planes toward trees, light, water, and horizon.